And don't forget, you gotta grind 24/7, guys. The grind.
So what are we going to be talking about today? Well, we're going to be talking about practice. Are we talking about practice? Okay, I'm not going to do the Allen Iverson bit. Yeah, guys, we're going to talk a little bit about practicing your craft. This is something that I spoke a lot about in Enhanced Executive Performance. We should practice our craft much like an NBA player or an NFL player would practice. A lot of people tell me, Don, why do you put so much time into preparing for meetings? And I tell them, I always practice my meetings. When I get prepared for, let's say, a board meeting, this is the process that I go through. The first thing that I do is I create all of the content that's going to be in that meeting, whether we're doing a PowerPoint presentation or we're handing out information during the board meeting. I go through all of it and make sure that I'm not just providing the information, I am telling a story. Because let's face it, guys, when you're presenting to someone, whether it's a board meeting or in front of a crowd, you are telling a story. So I practice telling that story. I practice meetings all the time, even meetings that are considered, weekly, and some people might think non-important meetings. I make sure that I go through the agenda, I go through the process of delivering that information to make sure that information is crisp and on point. When I get all of that content put together, especially for an important meeting like a board meeting, I then will go through the entire meeting and record it. I record it sometimes on video if I'm going to be standing and presenting, or I may just record it on audio. You will be surprised how much you learn about your presentation skills whenever you're recording yourself. Guys, I've been doing the grind videos for some time, and what I've found out is I'm not really good at it. It takes quite a few takes to get good content put out so that you guys will enjoy it. And so trust me when I tell you, there's a lot that can go into the preparation of meetings. So when I talk about practicing your craft, doing something as mundane or overlooked as practicing a meeting, a lot of people would suggest is not worth your time. I happen to believe it is worth your time because at the end of the day, the time that you're taking are your employees, the people who are listening to you, listening to what you have to say. And if that's not important, I don't know what is. Guys, go home, practice your craft, practice doing those things that make you good at your job, and you'll be surprised how much of a difference it will make. Guys, if you want more information about this, get Enhanced Executive Performance. I talk about how to practice every area of your business so that you'll be good and you'll execute at a super high level. Thank you, guys. Really appreciate it. I hope you're enjoying the information that we're giving you. Guys, if you want to do a deeper dive, you can start out by going to Amazon.com, putting my name in the search bar, and buying one, maybe all three of the Enhanced series of books. They come in all formats. You can get them in Kindle, you can get them in Audible, or you can get them in paperback if you're kind of old school like me. You can also go to alignment.com where you'll find content, you'll find our blogs, you'll find our videos that we've published, and also for a limited time, you can sign up for our Platinum Club membership. We're only accepting 30 people for the rest of the year, and that gets you to content that's never been published, tools that we've never published, lots of information that you will find incredibly helpful as you grind 24/7. Guys, thank you so much.